routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of no weather radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The fourth. Is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of no weather radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast for the central Sacramento Valley, including...
It's about time you guys actually send out the test, because last week you failed to send the test at all. But I'm finally glad that Sacramento finally sent out the test. Better part, perfect activation, like always. Right there, and right here. Yeet.